This morning I thought I'd give you a little tour of the inside of our van and how I've organized it. It might help you in organizing your van or maybe give you some ideas. So stay tuned and here we go. So this is our lounge area and our bedroom because the sofa lays flat and then turns into a bed. During the day, I never have the bed up. I always have the sofa up. And I leave sheets on it just because of Luna and to protect the furniture. Luna has her own little spot where she lays during the day. This is the closet between the kitchen and the bedroom. We use it for our clothes. I know some people use it as a pantry, so I guess whatever works best for you. I'm way too short to be getting clothes out of the top bins, so I like my clothes where I can reach it easily. So as you can see, we use the back a lot. I put these curtains in because I get up much earlier than Bob and Luna do, so that way I can kind of keep the light out of their faces. We have a 2-burner induction cooktop. That was one of the things we really liked about the Galleria because Bob wanted 2 burners and he does all the cooking. These pads are great. They keep the pots from moving around and they also keep them from scratching. And then I put this drying mat right on top of them. I also bought a rubber sink mat and then I just cut it to size. I'm going to show you my kitchen drawers and what I keep inside of them. This one's the garbage can, and then I keep my cleaning supplies in the back. I did have to get smaller spray bottles for like Windex. This is our, I guess, kind of junk drawer. This is our bug drawer. This is our important drawer. This is for, obviously, utensils. And this is for mixing bowls. And this is for things that don't fit in the other ones because this is a deeper drawer. Here's our bathroom. We do have a wet bath. I just decorated it a little bit because it was so white. It was very stark. So I just gave it a little bit of color and that works for me. Tiny little sink. And then I did put, actually Bob made a teak mat for the bottom because when you shower, then the floor stays wet, especially if you're not level. So that way we can have a dry floor. Bob did replace our fan that was just standard with the Max Air Max Fan Deluxe. We love it. The other thing that was important to us is to have a full-size fridge and freezer because sometimes we're out and we don't have a way to get groceries, so we need to stock up for longer than like a few days. Bob also installed a headliner shelf. I think that's what they're called. And they have a curtain rod that you can put on there too. And that really adds to our storage and also gives us privacy when we don't want to put all those things in the window, those things. So we can just draw the curtain and have privacy. So this is our little home on wheels. I hope you enjoyed the tour and I hope maybe it gave you some ideas as to how you can organize or make your van be special and functional at the same time. Thank you for watching.